Okay, FM. Okay. 101.7.
Dr. Kenneth Frimpong, we DNA specialist, was a virologist. Now, you know, a drinkable. Dog me watching.
Major so penny.
Number called dear.
Yamiado, Namonso.
Yes, young Bocopa. Dog mammy from film come as see. You knew dim come way a bepim nay, ya dear a cosso. Na, because my addition kakra. One mode of a year multiplication, no, to say a year that exponential one now, if you be at 1 now go 2, 4, 8, 12, 8, 16, 32, 64. That type Libya now say we know multiply say.
Exponential, sending our canon. So why intervene? Right? Now, okay, say 2, 4, 8, 16. We 3 year. And the 2, 4, 6. I mean 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. No. Now try ye na koye 1, 4, 16, 64 near the question. So it gets even worse.
Okay. Papa na mama wi ade emwa no ankasa se omo ente nipa mu a beginning wo mo tena he na wo mo final ayi so en he.
Oh, omo mu empire me ade and omo generally. And this omo free honum no jump species. That is, we are talking about COVID-19. But I also want to say that coronavirus na omodos one. Ahudu be they are already in the system. Even some of us, we've been exposed to them kakra. But not most of them normal cause area a hard dream. And to be out there flu-like symptoms, be your immune system will clear. And no. But to try now a form a mutated to send your COVID-19 mutating, then you have a problem.
Papa, a dear Nama, dear Abbey, I hope.
Send your own way. Come Nipano, and the choir a fasu a infection. What can I say? A stealth. And then who be show more for some time. No, a doctor kakra. But period na young who so will be. Now so the man wadofu. We are no more now for no money at the Abra Winnie Moon Shady. Ain't you no? Let us say, I overtake it completely. And no money you. Nankay idea a buy infant a day or two, what was our bar. And they immediately while making self quarantine. And now so the crop compared to an answer the DHSR. But wait here, at the Woods for a long time. And finally, by the time I want to be, let us say, what the amount of food be free. And not the money you know. And of course, a growing year in shaded new horse presently. I'm a scientist to say, almost ever society.
About
that,
Governor Cuomo, governor of New York.
Yeah.
One must say, one with the chloroquine, every California, Los Angeles, no air back to combat and now to suppress the virus on the other. And
right.
At the same.
And no, France for the year study. And now, almost compare a nipper groups of 3 people. Almost drone the crowd. Almost hydroxychloroquine 1-3 times a day, say 600 milligrams. And a combination of chloroquine and azithromycin. Hydroxychloroquine and azithromycin, 100% of them were cured. Chloroquine, 57% were cured, which means 43% didn't make it. and almost 1 year drone be crammed there 12.5% they make recover. And you know what it means? Necessary so combining hydroxychloroquine on azithromycin na dear. I am a me about. But starting, you have to be very careful. One, starting now trying the extent of yarema na enipa nenyano ansa no omode sa embru no ema won. On say yare no start enye se start ya na edwedu owuo kwan so. Enti no stage ben en omode sa embru no mai. That is the first question.
Stage ben omode sa embru no mai.
Stage of course. Omo ya test kire se nipa no ewo yare ni bi. Right? But now a true stage thing, were they on ventilators? And I said they were not on ventilators. At the end, prior treatment, no mania and sana or modesa hydroxychloroquine azithromycin combination of the maomo. There is no information that because I have actually gotten the paper on my chrono to publish and I've read it. But they don't give those specific information. That's the first thing. The second issue is there are some people are more allergic to chloroquine. Say, yeah, ma'am, and Kofu be brave who be some say, would me for allergic to any drug, or because I'm allergic to chloroquine. Now, almost where did they bring in young fantasy antihistamines to treat the chloroquine allergy? And so on. There are a number of questions in the mind can say. A probe or I'm saying be able to me. I think say early it is very encouraging, but there is still some way to go.
Oh, okay. Papa, me say your sister and one bar, and I'm say they enter through the mouth, no. I'm minimum answer. That was why we advocate say when monsieur P. Now no monsieur, na the one call yemwa. Acidic a year a cost to honor and the chemical process and it's me come and also saying
yes and no. Okay, my name can say a more far mostly no and you were no monk said the if I was winning okay if I was winning and I call lungs no young father said watching from Malcolm right. And from out to cool mono, a call yaman as a call lungs.
A call lungs.
A call lungs. Aha, it is rock at me say, matching from Malcolm, a man a call me lungs mono, me no munsia, a befa, a beco me, said me a flumwa, a becomia. Let me miss out in your canasi.
Okay, FM.
Okay, in Sina, no, not the me my and fat yadin and conco to an soon case. Unumunsio pia na se wo gagal na se yesa ne ma na ebeko no because one gagal se be emfa ohunim ema no nko lungs mo ema no nko nko sayare ewo ho we should be careful about those things.
Papa na yewe some way da bia na yesi se ye develop vaccines ye de some one no bi ne develop na ye de akọ na wo makọ fight emwa na ewum. We know say in developing a vaccine for corona virus, sadi ebe no.
It depends on your free be attenuated virus. Your free be inactivated virus. Inactivated virus, no say essential welcome virus no. But one nyina na ode vaccine no. Attenuated virus no nye completely killed. Na who den ya wabre na who den na se eno to me de ye and there is another form obetimi aye vaccine eye e France bia we be develop epitopes in the advance so far coronavirus here apapo a won chen na friend spike protein no obetimi de no potentially develop vaccine ebetimi ehu ade bia e was spike protein no so it will attack it. A bit means why I think that there is a group in Korea almost nucleocapsid. Nucleocapsid no and a chain RNA no ecovirus no. and also use a part of the virus to make a vaccine. And you don't have to use aboa nankasa where live na ebekum enipa na same fans all the vaccinate ebekum no you don't have to do that. Ubetumi use attenuated virus, ubetumi use heat kill virus, and ubetumi use a segment of the virus itself. Into there are 3 different ways ubetumi use.
Oh, okay. Papa na mami sa musa ayi ba akusi. Edi entina emma woni a wo mo hwere wo mo nkwan. Ya na omumpanin omumpanin fie so na ya na yare bi na wo ho ene we be ka wo machiri ana se wo mumpanin fie so no wo immune system no wo down kakra na etimi ma wo infect wo to the stage se wo mo ebewu
I'm saying me no a kan nyina etimi boama I mean etimi contribute to ewu no say omo fie ko anim no bi o ho anu omo immune system na compromise you know virus no to me attack you or them. And it means so bad say if you are no more underlying conditions to see I think that almost speculate and that's almost suggest to say there will be or diabetes, will be or high blood pressure, will be or cancer, and those things no you're more likely to die from COVID-19 infection. That is what they are saying. And generally and I think say the science behind your mokano are valid. But there are other possibilities. And also no, I think so you mean kind of so much at this stage, but I think that there are other options, that there are other contributing factors. I think that we should be prepared to look into it. But mean go into that at this stage.
Papa na enra mitie World Health Organization for almost the disease could be airborne.
I'm sorry, almost then.
The disease could be airborne.
Well, it drew what they are, we are dead.
Senti.
Oh, sir, if it is airborne, that means to say, Senya airborne, Ubowa, Anasa Wohumia. A drop it, echo that table so sasa susu anase bibi etesa, right? No, a mode as you say a but if it becomes airborne, to say anopabusu anase enfane say then can a boy see and kind of thing. Yana we white in the adeno and no water droplets, eh? So if it becomes airborne, to say measles, we are dead. Because it makes me the same place. In the infant over them, now would be Obowa, and answer of me, cry, whom you bet me in suspension in the air for up to about 2 hours. If that happens, we are dead.
Wow. Papa, China, the Amatian say, life has come a return to normalcy. And no secret in say, Ebias, what yet more?
So they were very aggressive. In fact, New York Times and in Wuhan, Omushe, Sunya, and then New York Times. If you go online now, New York Times.
Okay.
Omo a picture be lunchtime at one of the I think the companies Omoya cars. Almost spacing Kunyano so much. Say Ubia and Sanohon County. Says a wonkwa, you are almost like an island. And I want to honor that is what they did. Social distancing, quote unquote. But they were a lot more aggressive. They were able to put however many millions of people under quarantine. And not but even then, they have a problem right now. Because new infections I don't know cut down to zero. Just the numbers was fantastic. Ubia's life was going back to normal. Until the Chinese form were free or no more outside Europe and other places started importing it back into China. And you say, we are free outside that we be China. We are Chinese new, we are Chinese new. automatic 14-day quarantine.
Near the show mu I said here is it here.
But you.
Ayi Noguchi Institute for esusu ama ban say ebeya anka yenye complete lockdown for bare 2 weeks. Omen nyina wonu omo ya adwene ana wuso.
Se Noguchi akasa asem na mesra ban say omuntie ni omoka no. There is no other entity in Ghana award the credibility of Noguchi. Seba science, eba sa niema science of yarebeyi. Na se Noguchi for ejina ho aka sa asim we atrabaya. It is in all our interest. Say aban betie ni Noguchi kano because it is the right thing to do, and if we say ya maya dene ankoho na ya ntie ni Noguchi for kana ye beka yesu.
Papa, so what you na uhwe de uba amanfo ka say de ubo no so centered in the cities and na yenkura ase no nkuro nketo no de say enuru wo papa ya eti say
oh na sa ne wadaro ma ne mu yi eko oman nyina ba bia
no kre
enti se mu as long as say mo be continue aye ne amu yi and ye bom abaso ankasa as long as mo be koso aye ne amu yi no ebo ye nyina aye ho ban se wo kromo se wo krasi o se wo hini o enti mo ya and you should keep it up because the more anya sa di we na ya se be shi
na ene meda se pa na obi bisa se enyambia no enuru a ewo what se bia obo wa obanum cough syrup bia wunya sinus problem a we na ade be so ear drops and na say nose drops near the ade no se obi nya science ni bia no ko hospital o mutimi prescribe man
oh so ko hospital a o mo be show se ne wo so mo show so but o mo be show I'm sure say o mo be show a number of symptoms that will be display no and o maka say oh wait the be a normal fancy be a normal cold and I say a standard cough and I say be a tisa say wo bo wan kwa no na ko hospital mo nka say wo COVID-19 ba wo bo wa maybe our temperature akosro maybe we aba o mo hwe ne ma bebre no maka say would the answer was all the kwa so na me three and I say this be take swab near the Noguchi send ubo ndino
okay
enti say ubo wa no maka say ube bi there intisa
papa me fan be the year 1918 mu ho because Spanish flu by Emma Indians were they kumbe more than 20 million then aba ye betu Ebola SARS de ko ba ni nyina ye related to flu aba bepim nei dia aba bedura ye bedura yi ewiase efa health wise no ene hwehwemu no ye koye nim anase ye tena ho na eni sa flu ye ho na adan ne ho na sa be free awora
say wadarumo say in fact ya koye nim a lot na nya sa nka by now nka ne ye duro nka nya because they say no say 1918 no they had an idea of what was going on, but they didn't quite know, and they ultimately know a solution there. But almost technology I know in 1918, a new technology a area say addicted, a new bepiakra, and in fact. And yet the right thing to say is say we are lucky to be in this age. We can because of COVID-19. But at the same time, no, you 3 years say adiyeti na that science and the technology ni medical advancements no edru anya sankanye. But also young kind so say even with all that we are in a deep place, I say, and she ever high.
Papa, ya disua kakra virus elementary dia be aboa no na ne ho hia na du ba bi nso wo di yenya apart from say edi yenya ne ode was some medical importance bi ana
medical importance degree actually, and generally no, they are there to a virus by itself is not alive.
Oh sir
David,
dog what you chemu kakra kire.
Okay, a virus by itself no is technically not a living thing. Into me hume yem fa so virus at the 2 tables so into me hume into me nidi into me sorry nante into me nyahwe and no you can say a living thing, right? Say it me nante to me didi to me hume to me yewe and no living virus by itself no doesn't do that, but say a living thing more.
Okay,
Then it takes over the living thing and makes multiple copies of itself. Billions and billions of copies of itself. And the main issue are viruses. And in fact, in terms of medical importance, a hard drain, mostly a hard drain rather than say peboa. Some of the cancers are viruses in the deba. Some Yariba Bibri, SARS, MERS, influenza, and all those things. Polio, every viruses. And in fact, wow.
Next year, say, Akoya Sami Fanse, Kane Carbide, na a year a for one more source on Yamadi. Se carbide ye say it's in powder form no and you so raw but would you go at the nad you see guswa na certain activity
prepare more or less prepare a virus here that one by itself no. In fact you can okay, let me put it this way. Ubetini a procedure be etimi spend virus down. Your friend is ultracentrifugation. A bit more ultracentrifugation viruses. I'm on my bed to say pellet form, almost like a powder. Okay.
Wow.
That pellet, yeah, even that pellet form, no, it is by itself, no, it can't do anything. But in your relevant thing, it takes over.
Dog way. The enemy at the ya almost say virus ni bi wo ho a nipa bitimi create obi betimi create virus.
Yes.
Akwan be so papa.
Ne tell say virus no e will either say DNA and I say RNA e won ni genome. Okay. Ni suno itina ni DNA and I say RNA e wonu mu. Enti HIV RNA COVID RNA vaccinia DNA and those types of things. Now so we need the sequence of the genome of a virus. You can easily create it. And what I may say, you find use HIV for example, just about 9,700 bases. But winning sequence, you can simply order a sequence. Be about 10 or 20 sequences, your friend overlapping sequences. Why you be a friend of concatenation? Within 2-3 days, you will have your virus.
Ask me.
But the fact is, with me, doesn't mean there was a way. And I don't know of anybody what said that I said me creative virus. And the other thing, there was other things when they said, no, let's not even go there with the ninja. Yeah, first you for baby.
Baby, as I see a call. Measure that, but now my book na me busa questions. Be say ya na me me amenche eshamintumam. Na me dingo. Na don't way. E die ben na say sɛ wotu fo koraa ama ɔman yɛ nyinaa yɛtie wo a ɛsɛ sɛ yɛyɔ individually ɛsɛ sɛ yɛyɔ animanimu yɛ
okay medase pii ɛmi sɛ ɔho ɔmampani atuyɛmfo monhohoro mo nsa monyusu hand sanitizer na mfa nsa nkɔ w'ani ne saa nsɛm ne nyinaa ɔtuyɛmfo ɔsi yɛnyɛ social distancing ne nyinaa no ɛyɛ good nea mɛka toa so ne sɛ wanti ne nyinaa koraa make sure sɛ ɛnhia paa sɛ wo sɛ wo pie ɛnhia paa sɛ wo sɛ wo pie a mempie ɛna mepa ɔkyɛ wo ma ɛntie nea memeka no ɛno nyɛ important nea ɛyɛ important paa sɛ wobɛtie no because there are higher authorities in these things than I am. And there is no higher authority than Noguchi. It is a Noguchi say, Yenye say ya, me misrel wetie for no enridi, omuntie, no mumfanka ni omampeni aka no. So omampeni nka so oshate oman yi down wa. Onim yinti a ebi a onshate oman ne down. But no nkyerɛ ɛnsɛ sɛ wohwɛ ɛkwan anaasɛ ɛnsɛ sɛ wobɔ wo ho ban mpakyɛ ɔho ɛnti no yes yɛ nea ɔsɛ ɔyɛ make sure sɛ wobɛtie ne ɔmampani aka no nea the health authorities n'aka no and nea Noguchifoɔ ka no yɛ primary mepamokyɛ yɛntie ɛno yie papapapapapapa na yɛmfa nka nea ɔmampani aka no ho
Papa now we read the idea be said there is a Chinese researcher bia now or America mem last year one much no say was spotted a lot of viruses bia why you research at the Center for Cancer Studies Wuhan na wɔn gidi sɛ saa ayi a abai kura no is linked to research bi ɔyɛ ne outcome bi a wonya yɛ no ne ade mpajo what is that me
say way specifically but on say and so we see who say biomedical research no it involves transportation of material and a kwan wo hɔ a wobɛtumi a transport nneɛma safely. There are containment systems umutimi de shipping nneɛma every one place to the other a problem bi ama ho. That's the first thing. The second thing so ne say I doubt very much say saa way e be free nea woka no because this is not a virus a cause of cancer. This is not a cancer causing virus. Say enfane say a virus bia. Okay, let me just skip a few things. No ne COVID nyaka say bia. Now can say you a womb. But this is a virus and cause cancer. This is not a cancer causing virus. And the second thing they say 96% identical to SARS and about 76% identical to MERS. And you know, a young one must say a year SARS Libya amitated about the year COVID-19. And you know, the function no mayan fa yadrin and co sa story no some wadaroma.
Oh, okay. Papa ni yabada se pa to measure that ba na mafa Limbak, titi wo Limbak ni bi na mabetworo kakra kakra.
What you. In fact, you who you wadaroma.
Meso me da se pa. Obi aso je so. Dr. Kenneth Frimpong, wo ye DNA specialist and na oye virologist. Na wo de yakọ school kakra na wa kyerɛkyerɛ sɛ de nneɛma no sumutie pa.
Okay FM 101.7